morning. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a little quick one too. So I went to Burger King. I got some breakfast. I got a 3-piece French toast. I got me a sausage, egg, and cheese croissant meal. So I got the hash browns right here. And then I gave me some ketchup. I got my syrup. And I got orange juice to go with it. But I don't want that right now. Oh, Lord. I don't want that right now. And I went to the store before I went there. And I got one of my favorite drinks, guava carrot. I love it. I don't know if I could put that on there because it's heavy. It's glass. So this is what we got going. Let me see. Child, it's right here. I don't know if I'm getting, my hands getting bigger or these croissants getting small as hell. Look at this. It's so po. It looks so po. So I'm about to say my grace and get, this ain't ketchup, this jam. This jam got a big ass lump in it and I'm a little concerned. Let me just say grace, Lord. Oh Lord, don't tell me this is a paper straw. Uh-oh, that didn't work out well. So, how y'all doing today? Oh my gosh, it's a paper straw. I hate them. I be feeling like I'm drinking all type of paper particles. So, here's the orange juice though, in case y'all wanted to see it. But what's going on? How y'all doing today? How y'all feeling? How was y'all weekend? I had an interesting weekend. It was peaceful though. I need to use. Look, so po. Anywho, I got no ketchup in the car. I'm at a different part. As a matter of fact, I'm sitting over here, so I'm trying to pay attention. I need some ketchup. I'm starting to sound like a ketchup fanatic. I'm sorry, they normally give you ketchup before they give you jam. It's the 14th already, man. It was just October. The time just flying. I feel like there's no sense of time no more. Cause it be gone. Especially with daylight savings time, like. I hate puffing on that cigarette. Hard. I can smell it. Mm-hmm. So y'all, let me tell y'all how we went to this place. It's called, hold on, because I don't want to lie. What is it called? Correct. Price Choice on 27. So that's my first time going there since it's been Price Choice, because the last time I was here it was Barefoot. It was a shoe store. So I went in there. It's my first time going in there. I'm like, oh, it's nice. It's clean. It don't stink. So the lady I went with, her and her niece. Y'all, it's her niece. It's not her sister-in-law. I thought it was her sister-in-law. I don't know who it is. But her niece, we was trying to pass time so we don't get to somebody's house too early. So they like, let's go in there and grab the stuff that they need for, I think, Thanksgiving. So I mean, I'm like, yes. I'm sorry, I got distracted. It says like it got like extra ginger in it or something. It's real gingery. It don't have ginger at all. Anywho, so we went in. They get what they get, because they always go there. They the ones that told me to go there. I'm like, oh, it's nice. It's so nice. Whatever, whatever. I see these drinks that I have bought. I bought 2 coconut waters. I bought a Mystic orange carrot, if you know, you know. And then I bought my Grace Rhythms guava and carrot. So I'm telling them, I'm like, oh, we gotta go now. So they went to the register. I went to self-checkout. The lady standing in front of the self-checkout staring at me. It's a Spanish store, y'all. And if you're from down south, you know how the Spanish people is with black people. So I'm standing at the self-checkout. Come on. And I'm checking out and I got other drinks. Nothing major. So I'm standing there. She's standing in front of the self-checkout staring. I hurry up, pay. I go to the other ladies because they went to an actual cashier. So the stuff that they got, they didn't read they couldn't see the fine print because it's real small, and they said they had to spend a certain amount in order to get what they was getting for a certain price. So before the lady even started checking her out, I'm standing there waiting for them, and the Spanish girl gonna look to the other Spanish girl and started laughing and started talking in Spanish and was like, come here. So I'm already like, so she could speak English, by the way. So she tell the girl tell them, oh, you gotta spend this amount to get that. The cashier is still laughing. So I'm like, what the hell is so funny? So they like, oh, you gotta spend this amount to get that. They like, oh, okay. Well, we had ran out of time. They wasn't even done shopping. They would have had spent that amount to get it for that price, but we had to go. So the girl is laughing. I'm like, what is so funny? So I'm standing there mugging her. Next thing I know, this Spanish guy in shorts, he comes stand by the entrance and he's standing there with his arms folded. I was like, so they get their stuff, the girl's still laughing and I'm still trying to figure out what's funny. And we walking out and I look, I say, is this security? And I walk out and I'm just mad, like, what the hell? So literally we about to get in the car and this Spanish lady pull up in her Honda HRV. Her little mom's little, whatever you want to call it, her little mom SUV. So she pull up, we getting in the car. She gets out, she's like, and walk in the store. I'm already irritated. So I'm like, girl, what you think we gonna take out that car? A car seat? She like clicking her button like multiple times as she's walking away looking disgusted. I'm like, bruh, I'm definitely back down south. Like, where I came from, it was the white people. Here, it's the Spanish people and the white people. I'm just like, bruh. But it's like mostly populated with Spanish people, so Spanish and black, but what I'm saying is the discrimination is mainly from the Spanish people. The white people too, but it's mostly populated by the Spanish people that don't like black people. Where I came from, it wasn't that diverse. Most of the jobs I had, most of the classes that I attended, I was the only black girl. So, and it was very racist, and it was mostly white people. So now I'm just like, if it ain't one thing, there's another. But she pissed me the hell off. I'm like, what's so funny? Because I can give you something to laugh at, baby. This shit made me mad because they some of the sweetest ladies. They walk in, they, hi, how you doing, all of that. She didn't even greet them. She just started laughing. And I was really mad because I'm like, damn, I already bought my stuff. If I would have seen them acting like that, I wouldn't have bought shit out of it. I wouldn't have bought a damn thing out of there. I don't play about that racist stuff. I don't play about that disrespect. They wouldn't have got a dime of my money. And I would have returned it if we didn't have to go. Don't play with me. I'm gonna drink this orange juice because that I don't know, my stomach hurt. It smells like boo-boo. That's because I be forgetting I'm recording. Okay, so let's have a serious discussion. Who invented paper straws? I just want to talk to them real quick. I just want to ask them something for real. I just want to run something about them real quick. Real stuff. Got a serious question for you, buddy. I don't think I shook this up. Ooh, that's tangy. Maybe it's my taste buds. Maybe it's the syrup. Yeah. So, yeah, y'all. I was just like, what the? Don't play with me. I don't like that. I don't know why I like this, but they got the shoes hanging off the power line over here. And it's just making me feel like it's back in the day when I was a little kid. And they used to do that. And they used to try to make it. I got these stuff. Oh, I love her hair color. So is there no school today? Because this is like the 4th kid I done seen. Oh, that's Job Corps. Oh. I feel like I was just rambling today, y'all. But make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, and follow me on social media to stay connected and to keep up with me. It's basically these 18-wheelers trying to go around the little roundabouts, because we got a lot of those here. They implemented those trying to stop us from speeding, and now they just speed around the damn roundabout. But this 18-wheeler almost just drove straight through the middle, trying to go around. Oh, excuse me. My bad. I'm all done. And I will see you guys in the next video. Okay? Oh my God, look at my hair. I don't have to say that every time. I'm gonna get my hair done, y'all. Don't do me. I'll see y'all in the next video, though. Have a wonderful day. Bye.